Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Nasdaq-listed Nano Labs Limited is making a massive bet on Binance Coin BNB and has unveiled plans to acquire the token through convertible notes and private placements. According to a press release dated June 24, China-based Web3 infrastructure provider Nano Labs has set its sights on acquiring up to $1 billion worth of BNB as part of a broader strategic growth initiative. Now, to finance the plan, the firm has entered a $500 million convertible note agreement with investors. The zero-interest notes maturing in 360 days are convertible into Nano Labs Class A shares at an initial price of $20 per share. ProCap BTC, a cryptocurrency financial services firm founded by investor Anthony Pompliano, wasted no time putting new money to work. Less than 24 hours after revealing a $1 billion merger with Columbus Circle Capital and a separate $775 million capital raise, the firm snapped up 3,724 Bitcoin at a time-weighted average price of $103,785 per coin. The purchase kicks off a treasury program that could swell to $1 billion in Bitcoin once the SPAC transaction closes and the combined company, to be called ProCap Financial, lists on Nasdaq. UK-based web development firm The Smarter Web Company has strengthened its Bitcoin portfolio by purchasing 196.9 BTC at an average price of $103,290. So this latest addition brings its total Bitcoin holdings to 543.52 Bitcoin. The move reflects the company's strategic shift towards digital assets as part of its long-term financial planning. By increasing its exposure to Bitcoin, Smarter Web joins a growing number of firms integrating crypto into their treasury reserves, signaling rising confidence in Bitcoin's role as a store of value. Waltz Capital has made a major strategic shift by adopting a Bitcoin reserve policy, purchasing 10 Bitcoin at an average price of $104,621. Formerly known as Helium Ventures, the company rebranded and pivoted towards digital asset treasury management. This bold move triggered a stock surge of over 250% last week, signaling strong investor confidence. The board's decision marks Waltz's ambition to become a leading corporate Bitcoin holder, similar to MicroStrategy's earlier approach. WazirX has received the green light from the Singapore court to submit further arguments in favor of its proposed restructuring plan. The court also extended the moratorium, originally set to end on June 6, 2025, providing the exchange with continued legal protection while proceedings continue. So this development gives WazirX a crucial window to reinforce its case. The company now awaits further instructions from the court and has assured its users of ongoing efforts to resolve the situation transparently. MatrixDoc, the real-world asset tokenization platform under Matrixport, is expanding beyond gold by launching tokenized silver, platinum, and palladium. Building on the success of its gold-backed XAUM token, MatrixDoc aims to bring more precious metals on-chain, offering enhanced transparency, liquidity, and accessibility. Well, these new tokens will follow the same institutional-grade standards as XAUM, including trusted vaulting, third-party audits, and DeFi integration. With silver and platinum prices surging due to industrial demand and tightening supply, MatrixDoc sees strong potential. The move reinforces its commitment to making real-world assets available on blockchain and advancing financial inclusion and next-generation capital markets. Japan's Financial Services Agency considers reclassifying crypto assets as financial products under Financial Instruments and Exchange Act, which would reduce capital gains tax on crypto to a flat 20%. On June 24, Japan's Financial Services Agency released a new policy proposal signaling a major regulatory transformation for cryptocurrencies, as initially reported by CoinPost. In a document titled Review of the System Surrounding Crypto Assets, the FSA announced the formation of a working group to explore the possibility of shifting crypto regulation from the current Payment Services Act to the more stringent FIEA. MasterCard is doubling down on stablecoins with a series of partnerships and product expansion aimed at embedding regulated digital dollars into the everyday payment network. The payment giant said on Tuesday it will integrate several stablecoins, including PayPal's PYUSD, the Paxos-led Global Dollar, and Finzerve's recently unveiled FIUSD into its global network, which already includes support for Circle's USDC. It is also introducing stablecoin transactions for cross-border payments to MasterCard Move. The company also said it's also working with financial technology provider Finserv to bring FIUSD support to its card products on and off ramps and merchant settlements, and will let consumers spend both fiat and stablecoin balances under a single interface with MasterCard One credential. Norwegian deep-sea mining firm Green Minerals says it plans to create a Bitcoin treasury and is aiming to raise $1.2 billion to buy and hold Bitcoin long-term. Green Minerals said on Monday that the plan is part of a wider blockchain strategy that aims to diversify the company's investments from fiat currencies and support its future project plans. So, Green Minerals Executive Chair Odell said in a statement that Bitcoin is an attractive alternative to traditional fiat, and the hope is that adding it to the firm's balance sheets will help by mitigating fiat risks. Blockchain prediction market platform Polymarket is finalizing a $200 million funding round that would value the company at approximately $1 billion, according to reports. So, billionaire entrepreneur Peter Thiel's Founders Fund is set to lead Polymarket's funding round, Reuters and Bloomberg reported. The $1 billion valuation would give the company unicorn status despite it being banned for American users. The FBI even executed a search warrant on the platform in November, seizing founder Shane Copland's electronics over concerns that Polymarket was potentially giving access to Americans. And Polymarket had previously raised over $100 million, including an undisclosed $50 million investment earlier in 2025, the reports added. So that's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3worstv.io or scan the QR code.